I just want to make sure that you all could see everybody who wasn't home and who wasn't, and how that lady over there was never me. That's not my kid. You heard me? They knew that too. And what they was doing was trying to have everybody out here trying to witness, because what it is I have to call the EBT people because they stole my ABT card. So they sit there and think they all because they had somebody else with somebody else's child to come around, that you knew that wasn't me. That's not me and my kids. That's not me and Mr. Ricketts' kids. And I'm getting ready to tell you her license plate number too. Daniel.
Yes.
I'm just Sonia.
Yeah.
Okay. Dion. Her license plate number. I'm getting ready to get it too. 9853. Okay. It's JBW 9853. JBW 9853. And that was her license plate number over there that she was pretending. And I just want to make sure that you knew that today is, I just want to show you too. See how she's out, she's looking in the door because they was going to pretend that woman was me. That's because I got my social security mail, right? I put Andrew Watts and Carla Lanier because I'm Mrs. Carla Ricketts. I'm Miss Carla Williams, LPN. And this is the vehicle that thought that they were going to be like, oh, yeah, it was her. No, it wasn't. You all knew better, too. And that's why I'm making sure I put this up to show my husband's lawyer. Dion. I'm just making sure, just so we can make sure we get a better look. Because, you know, I don't have a baby, right? So we all can go to court. I bet you she's not no foreigner. She's not from Honduras, right? And that's how that works.